To Your Health, where we talk to local health leaders to help you feel better, live better, and be better.
Hi, and welcome to Your Health. Today I'm here with Dr. Ray Schneider from Echo Ridge Dental. Now at Echo Ridge, you do implants, you also do sedation dentistry and general dentistry. Now some of the cases that you're treating, I'm guessing, are pretty complex. So what are some of the most common factors that you see leading to these complex cases?
Yeah, one of the biggest factors is tooth decay. And oftentimes patients are coming in and they're frustrated because they've been getting tooth decay their whole life, it feels like. And every time they go to the dentist, they feel like, I got another cavity, I need another crown. And they're getting frustrated and they're oftentimes saying, I just want you to remove all my teeth. And sometimes that is what is required. But oftentimes at Echo Ridge, we're able to have a good conversation with the patient, get into what their dietary habits are, and we can find that there is a root cause to what's causing their tooth decay, and it is diet.
It's not genetic.
No, genetics is rarely ever the cause. And people will say, well, I had, my parents had bad teeth, and ever since I was a kid, I got cavities.
Yeah.
But the reality is your parents probably ate a similar diet as you did, and that's where you learned how to eat, and that's why your teeth are having some of the similar problems maybe your parents have had. So what we do is we spend a lot of time with the patient and kind of get into, what do you eat for breakfast? What do you have for lunch? What do you have for dinner? And that's the kind of dive you need to do in order to get to the root cause. And most of the time we will figure out what is causing the problem, which gives the patient a lot of confidence moving forward, because if we're going to save teeth and we're going to go through this complex care, they want to feel like it's going to last. And I understand the frustration of always feeling like, oh my gosh, every time I go to see the dentist, I need another I need another filling, I need another crown.
Right.
So that's what we do at Echo Ridge. It's very important when you do these complex cases that you get to the root cause of what is causing their problems. Otherwise, 5 years later, everything you just did, it ends up being destroyed by tooth decay.
Absolutely. That is awesome that you guys do that full patient care and do that deeper dive on that. All right, so some cases might need implants though, right? You might actually need to do that. So when it comes to that, talk a little bit more about what happens then.
Right. Part of being a general dentist, which we are at Echo Ridge, is we can look at, we can treat the tooth depending on, what's the best for it. So there are times when there's so much decay or it's broken down so much that an implant is required. And we can do that as well at our office. So come check us out.
Awesome. If people would like to check you out, what's your website?
Our website is echoridgedental.com.
Great information. Thanks, Dr. Ray.
Yeah,
and
thank you.
Thank you for watching To Your Health.
The preceding was a paid advertisement.